Transformation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I have Lookfantastic, which
Yay.
I got the other day, as well as Ipsy. We're back videos.
A little late.
That was really loud. And let's see if I can get this box open. I would say what it looks like, but obviously I'll show you. And just if I can get it out of there a second. I'm actually looking forward to whatever's in here, just because they do have some nice products. That's what it looks like. I noticed the Ipsy thing had a lot of models on the cover too. And it says, "There's no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise." That's pretty awesome. I was like, women power. My hair keeps falling in my face. I'm like, stay back here. Okay. And here's the little edit book. Maybe Kim can flip through that if she wants. And then, of course, it always comes with, like, sticker. And got to rip this puppy open. And it's got lots of, like, little fluffy shredder stuff in there to protect it. And maybe I can just take that out real quick. The first thing, there's quite a few products. First thing I'm pulling out is, gosh, either Bloom Blossom or Blossom Bloom, Bloom and Blossom, Blossom and Bloom. I don't know how you say it.
Bloom and Blossom.
There we go.
Yeah.
This is
Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm.
Huh. So that's interesting.
I guess I'll just stay there in the book so she doesn't know what it is. I can tell her.
Probably try that out, assuming what it does. Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream by First Aid Beauty. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. Yeah, I don't know if that's like a, it's like a primer. I mean, I do use them, but I have so many, or is it something else?
It says it's a facial moisturizer.
Oh, okay. If it's just a moisturizer, I don't know. If it has dimethicone, it's going to be a primer. And then this is Christoph Robin's generating mask. I don't know if I'd use this or not. I'm like,
It's for drying damaged hair.
I mean, I definitely have that. I'm just like, I don't know if it's a mask. Sometimes, like once in a great while, I'll use one that you leave on or rinse off. I tend to not use that often. This is a Hava Dead Sea Mud Mineral Mud Soap.
It says it's a purifying soap suitable for use on both the face and body.
Which seems cool, but I'm so strict on like I stick to certain things. I might not try anything new, so that might go in a giveaway just for that reason. And this one is Brushworks.
It's a dual-ended eyebrow brush.
And I actually would like this one, but I have something similar right now that I'm using. So I mean, that could go in a giveaway just for fun if somebody needs that. And this is Lottie AM to PM. And it is an eyeliner.
Black.
And
retractable eyeliner.
Yeah, retractable. So that could probably go in a giveaway. I tend to use like liquid mainly. And I have a lot of pencils, so I don't need that. And last but not least, Polar, if I'm saying that right. Goodness, with my glasses. Ice Source Moisturizing Cream. Okay, well it says it's moist. It looks kind of old. I don't know how to explain that, but it looks kind of like it's not.
It says to
the
massage
most new item.
massage into slightly damp skin after about their shower until fully absorbed.
You just said damp skin.
So it's like a lotion. I would. Yeah,
it's so
I mean,
tiny.
obviously
It's like
a
so.
lotion, but
It's like would barely be enough for my hand, but that's what came in this box. If this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one we'll have down below. That, as we mentioned in our other videos, ending sometime in late April, and we'll post that on Instagram with that date, and we'll catch you in our next video.
take care.
Bye.